Good morning. It's 6 a.m. November 2nd in western Pennsylvania. Usually it's real wet this time of year and you can't do nothing. But this year, we're in a drought. So when you're in western Pennsylvania and it's not raining outside, what do? You dig a ditch. We got an excavator coming. I'm all excited. Let's get to it. I built my house up here on this hill, and I wanted to build my garage up here too, the shop, but the wife, she said, no, I don't want that out in front of the house. So I had to build my shop clear down here. You can see down the hill there, and this driveway, the water pours down here when it rains, and it washes me out. Yep, so what we got to do is we got to dig ourselves a ditch down here on this side of the driveway, and we're going to cross the driveway here, and I'm going to put a basin right there with Schedule 40 pipe going across. That way I can catch the water coming down this way, and then the ditch will go all the way down there to a stream down in the woods. And that's the plan for today. Big plans, huh? Let's see what happens here. Well, we went to Lowe's and got our pipe. See, there it is. Yep, we got our pipe. We went to Mickey D's and we got breakfast. Now we're ready to make a ditch. The old truck made it back. This truck's, let me see, 26 years old now. See, the nice thing about these old trucks, you can put your pipe or your 2x4s. I can haul 12-foot lumber in there and strap it down, and it don't even stick out over very far. I got this here across this blacktop. I gotta cut that so I can dig my ditch across there. I'm gonna put a basin right here. Let me see here. Well, let's try to get out the saw. Okay, now the question is, will this thing start? Yeah, let me see here. Choke on. I filled it up with fuel. I don't know. I reckon it's been about at least 5 years, maybe more. Maybe, oh, when you get old, time goes by fast. Maybe it's been like 10 years. I don't know. Let's see if it'll go. You cantankerous thing, you. Let's try this. It's got this thing where it holds the throttle clear open. Let's see if that'll help. Aha. I had to put a new carburetor on this morning for the neighbor. I wonder if it's going to start now and run. Let me see. Yep, no leaks. That's good. Make sure the valve's open, choke's on. What do you think, huh? Did I do it right? Well, let's see. Let's see if this will go. Hey, buddy. What's got them ducks all on an uproar this morning, huh? Them buggers being noisy, ain't they? Huh? Babazoo. Hey, settle down in there. What's all this about? These birds are all upset. Oh, you know what? I think their automatic feeder ain't so automatic. Hey, Figgy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Percy? Good morning, Percy. Yeah, these birds, I don't know what's the matter with them. We got work to do, mister. We got no time for no birds. No, we got to get to work. We got a ditch to dig. I think they're following me. What's this all about, huh? No, your mommy will feed you. Yep, she'll feed you in a little bit. It'll... Didn't take very much. Okay. You didn't see my modifications to my gas can. Well, actually diesel, I know. Go ahead, call me an idiot in the comments. Ugh. You know, I'm 63 years old. I should be sitting here in this rocking chair today, but no. I'm cutting ditches and sitting here waiting on an excavator. I must be nuts. So for most of my life, anytime I had to dig a ditch, I did it with a pry bar. That's a digging bar there. A shovel and a pick. But not today. Ta-da! November 3rd and the time has changed. Yesterday whooped my butt, but I don't know what time it is. Actually, I think it's 6 o'clock, but it might be 7 o'clock. I don't know. I made myself a fire this morning. Yeah, I gotta rest these weary bones a little bit today. We got a lot done yesterday. Couldn't film it all because y'all, quite frankly, y'all take a lot of time to do this nonsense. But today we're gonna put in some pipe, maybe dig a little bit more. We got our ditch almost done. Let's get to it. A fun factoid today, I'm wearing a Bobcat hat and I'm using a John Deere Excavator. There should be a law against that. Plan this morning is to get some of these roots out of this ditch, put in our pipe. Oh yeah, we got the pipe across the road yesterday. That come out pretty good. I put schedule 40 in there, hardcore, but you can see all them roots. I'm gonna cut them roots out of there today, and we're gonna put that pipe right there. I've tried a lot of different ways to clear out these roots, and I found the best way is just get down in there with a pair of loppers, cut the roots off, and then you're rid of them. If you take a chainsaw to it, all you do is cut your leg off, and that ain't good. I need my legs still. Can't operate an excavator without legs. Oh boy, there's a lot of roots. That pipe is cold. That pipe does not want to cooperate. Too cold. Today is the 4th of November and it's 70 degrees out here and the sun is shining and it's still dry. So I got my pipe all in. Here, let me show you the pipe here. Yeah, the pipe all in the ditch. All ready to go, teed in back there. The only thing I got left to do is put the gravel in. I'm gonna have to get more gravel. They took back the excavator this morning, so it ain't got no excavator left. And my gravel's getting pretty thin. Oh boy, yeah, I ain't got much left here. Let's see here. Let me show you the gravel. Yeah. That's all I got left. I guess we'll spread that little bit of gravel. That'll be it for this video. I'm gonna call this ditch a success. Now I don't have any excavator, so it's just between me and the Kubota there. Me and the Kubota will get this job done. And who knows, maybe a little bit of the wheelbarrow. You know, if there's an easy way and a hard way to do something, it's gonna do it the hard way. So let me get to work here, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.